Today I want to share the message about people having lots of problems, especially in spinning Kriya, whether they are financial problems or health problems or relationship problems or whatever. How to sustain with those problems and continue having the faith. I don't know how many of you are chanting the mantras of nature, but the thing is, if you keep chanting the mantras of nature and just go through the situations, just cling on to chanting the mantras of nature and then go through the situations, do your job, and from the soul angle, from the nature virtual aspect, or from the soul perspective, many energies will be moved. Many cosmic energies can be moved to support you and comfort you through your troubles. One way the troubles come to get you rid of your karma, and secondly, they will also teach you detachment. So, in order to go through the problems in a comfortable way, you can just cling on to chanting the mantras and then do your job. It's like marketing. It's like marketing. You uh, you put a poster somewhere, and who has to come to buy your product is actually driven by the nature. So your job is putting the poster. So don't tell me again that you don't want to put the poster, and you cannot keep on waiting for nature to help you. So physically, in the physical world, you need to do your job, and once you do your job, then virtually nature will help you by moving many cosmic energies. So that way, by clinging on to chanting the mantras, you keep on doing your job and give some time. Don't lose the faith, and the time will reveal. Time will reveal the truth as to why this situation has come for you, and you will also get rid of the karma and go through the situation in a comfortable way. But one thing is assured, that you will not totally fall down. Though it appears like you are going to fall, but the nature's hand is holding behind you, which is not visible to you. So have the faith, keep on going through the situations, and you will succeed. All the best wishes.